Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter D. Capital D, little d. What words begin with D? Door. D-O-O-R. The word door begins with the letter D. Our house has many doors. The door opened, making a doorway. Dog. D-O-G. The word dog also begins with the letter D. Our dog is named Dexter. The dog came through the doorway. Daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. A pretty flower that blooms in the spring. Our yard has many daisies. The dog pulled the daisy. Dexter loves to play tug. What sound does the letter D represent? D. Can you say D? Very good. D, the fourth letter of the English alphabet. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.